Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And today, I'm going to bring you a little flair, especially when the air feels a little more magical than usual. Today, I'm sharing something incredibly special. These two stunning IOD molds are not just beautiful, they hold powerful meaning. One is the noble, majestic lion, a symbol of strength and royalty. The other, you will see later on in the video. Straight from a world of wonder. Why today? Well, because we're celebrating a huge milestone. 30,000 subscribers. I'm still pinching myself. Each one of you helped me get there. Every comment, every kind word, every view, every share, and every thank you. Your support, your inspiration, your encouragement. It lit the path forward. Part 1 of my giveaway is for USA residents only. I will be raffling off a small or a medium-sized jar made by Tera. You'll see Tera's jars at the end of my video. Now those jars are just samples because those are my personal jars. You will be making your own personal jar with Tera. Be sure to comment on this video and on June 8th video. Put in that comment USA resident and put the unicorn symbol or the lion symbol, and you'll be entered to win one of Tera's jars. Now let's talk about the magic behind these creatures. Unicorns have galloped through mythology for centuries. From the Middle Ages to modern fantasy, they symbolize purity, grace, and untamed beauty. In medieval times, the unicorn was believed to appear only before the purest of souls. Its horn, the alcorn, was thought to have power to heal, neutralize poison, and offer protection. In Celtic tradition, the unicorn was a creature of the moon, mystical, elusive, and fierce in its defense of innocence. In the Chinese culture, a similar creature called Qilin appears when a sage is born. And in modern storytelling, unicorns represent the imagination unleashed. The possibility that magic does exist if we dare to believe. And maybe that's why we love them. Because the unicorn tells us it's okay to dream, to be gentle, and to protect the most vulnerable parts of ourselves with fierce love. The lion is king of strength, courage, and light. Oh, the lion. He is noble, proud, and powerful. In nearly every corner of the world, the lion is a symbol of leadership and protection. In ancient Egypt, lions guarded the sacred. The goddess Sekhmet, with her lioness face, was both the destroyer and the healer, representing the fiery sun and unstoppable power of transformation. In Christian symbolism, Lions stand for resurrection and the divine protector. In Hinduism, Lord Narayana, a lion-headed deity, comes forth when no other power can defeat darkness. In alchemy, the lion is the guardian of the philosopher's stone, the sacred process of spiritual transmutation. And in our personal lives, lions remind us to lead with our heart, roar when it matters, walk tall even when the world tries to push us down. Together, the unicorn and the lion, a balance of mystical power and earthly wisdom. Isn't it beautiful that these two figures, a creature of myth and a creature of earth, are coming together in this video? One whispers from the stars and the other roars from the land. One asks us to imagine and the other to act. That is the magic we're making together. And you're part of this magic. This isn't just my milestone. This is our celebration. So thank you for every moment, every bit of encouragement that's gotten me here. To honor this moment, I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm going to cast these magical creatures one more time. One unicorn and one lion in mix to mold. And give one to 2 lucky USA residents today. But here's the twist. I'm challenging you. Yes, you. To bring these pieces to light. Add your magic. Paint them, embellish them. Tell a story with them. Show me your vision. One lucky subscriber right here in the USA will receive 1 lion. And one lucky subscriber in the USA will receive 1 unicorn. You don't have to have a YouTube channel, but if you do, I'd love to collaborate with you one Sunday. And if you don't, no worries. Just send me the photos of your finished creation and I'll share your artwork with my YouTube family. This is our family. As you can see, I haven't done anything with mine yet. Why? Because I'm waiting for you. This moment is ours. So how do we win? Keep listening. It's coming. Are you ready? Type in the chat. I live in the USA. Go. Now, the 3rd and the 5th are the winners. So I'm counting and John is counting. And we'll come up with the winner and I'll put it in the chat, but I'll also declare them secondly again by putting it in my description and on my community page. The 3rd one will get the unicorn and the 5th one will get the lion. Now here's what you need to do. You need to email me and you need to give me your address and your phone number of where to send this piece. Give me a week so they can cure before I send them out. And then we'll set a date of when to show our pieces. Now there's more coming. So get ready. Are you ready? Here we go. It's time for a flash of magic. Now, answer this question. Who can tell me what mythical creature is associated with healing and purity? Now, if you already won, please don't play again. And this is open to everyone. What mythical creature is associated with healing and purity, but also known to fiercely guard the innocent? Whoever is the first one to win wins an IOD mold, either the unicorn or the lion, from me. And I'm going to think by now someone has that answer. But that's not all. I'm not going to give you that answer yet. Here comes the week-long contest. Starting today until June 11th, I challenge you to show me your inner guardian through your art. Use any medium, resin, paints, clay, mixed media, whatever your heart desires. Create a piece inspired by this theme, the guardian within. Whether it's fierce like the lion or gentle like the unicorn, show me what protects your creativity, your peace, your light. It can be abstract or serious or playful. All can participate. Submit your entry by June 11th, midnight Pacific time. Email me your photo and your story if you'd like to share, or the link to your video. I'll put my email on the screen. Winners will be announced and featured on my community page on June 15th and will be featured in my Father's Day video. All participants will go into a hat and only one winner will be picked. A special prize from me to celebrate your beautiful work. The prize will be announced in the video. The real winners, everyone, because creativity and inspiration has been shared. We are all inspired, whether you have a channel or not. You are to be celebrated too. If you want to be considered for this giveaway, be sure to follow my instructions I left in the video. Then comment below and let me know when you're ready to bring on the magic. Check my community page often. I may leave hints there too. Let's create, inspire, and grow together. As always, I'll see you back here the next time with more art, more heart. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Aisha Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. Bye-bye now. Till next time.